Welcome to the Vector Garden. In this quick tip, we're going to take a look at how to outline an arrow. Now, this is of course special because this outline is live, so you can still change this and you see, move it around. And you could even go in and let's go into the stroke panel. And let's just change that arrowhead, and then you see that stroke adapts. So how does this work? I'm going into a new file and let's draw a line. And of course, let's have a color to that and make that a little thicker. And then let's add an arrowhead and make this a little smaller, like this. Now we need to fake something. We need Illustrator to believe that this is outlined. And in order to get that, of course, we use Effect, Path, Outline Stroke. But now we also need another hierarchical level in this, because we cannot apply this straight to the path. We need to have another hierarchical level to this. So let's go into the Layers panel. And how we would get that is we could group it. So just select Object Group. And then you see we have the path here, and then we have the next hierarchy, which is the group. And then we can continue working with the group. So let's go to the Appearance panel. And in here, I'm just going to add a new stroke to that. And you see everything is happening already, but it doesn't look nice. But in order to solve that, what we're just going to do is take that stroke and drag it below the contents, and then we have what we want. Now, having this inside a group makes this a little clumsy to edit. So let's get rid of the group. Go to Object, Ungroup. And you see, of course, now the stroke is gone again because it was associated with the group, and the group is now gone, and then the stroke is gone. What we can do instead is use a hierarchical level that we already have, which is the layer. So the layer is on top of the path, and we can use it. So we just need to target it by clicking on the target symbol and then add the stroke to that and move the stroke below the contents. But now, of course, everything you draw on that layer gets that same appearance. So if I draw another line and assign a stroke to that, and let's make it thicker, and you have already seen it, it shines through. Now, it's currently not really happening, but as soon as I go in here and add the Effect, Path, Outline Stroke to it, then we get the same, like that. So now you see how you can go about that, and of course you have learned some more about layers and appearances.